All right, so here's the affiliate program with Clickfunnels. This is actually pretty generous affiliate program. They've got the car program little video here. You can log this information here if you like. You can see when you get to 100 members, it's $500 a month car payment. When you get to 200 members, it's $1,000 a month. You can look at all the information. 40% commission, so on every $97 or $297, it's 40% commission. And what you can do is just come in here and grab your links. If you want to promote the car program link, you just grab that one. If you want to do the free trial links, you can go ahead and grab that one. So this is the one I'm going to use for the bottom, for the powered by Clickfunnels at the bottom of the pages. So I don't like that the tag, see this little tag down here? I don't necessarily like that being up there, but at the powered by Clickfunnels, I can deal with that. So that's what I'm going to do on all my pages. Some of them are going to have powered by Clickfunnels. Some are going to be powered by Purple Gorilla, but that's where you grab your link right there. You can actually grab different links. So this will take them to the trial. This will be for the short trial page. If you had some spots to put HTML, you can use these banners. You got swipe files here, so you can, send some emails after people, get in. So then same thing with the Funnel Hacks auto webinar. You can choose to promote that. A couple different options here. You can send them straight to the order form. So you can do the same thing. The last one is for this section, funnel hacking, funnel cloning. A lot of information. This series right here will teach them a lot about funnels. So this is actually a really good one to put them in. I'm actually going to use this one right now. All right, so let's say we're putting it in this funnel right here, the affiliate link. We would just pull this page open, edit the page, and we're going to scroll to the bottom. Scroll all the way down here. And at the very bottom, it says powered by Clickfunnels. So you can actually click on that, hit the little deal right over here. And it looks like, okay, so looks like it's actually got a code in there. I think that was either something I put in there a long time ago, or maybe it was already populated like that. Some pages have this and some pages don't. I haven't seen, or maybe because I build a lot of my pages. So when you build a page by itself, or this is actually a template, so that's what it is. When you build a page, you have to put this down here, then you'll just highlight it like this. You'll hit that little button right there, and it'll pull this open, and then you can choose what color, you can choose with the link, and once the link is posted in there, just save it, and whenever someone hits that link, it's going to be your affiliate link. Let's preview just to show you that it works right away. And as soon as you see my affiliate link in here, so now someone's going through the process, they go fall in love with the process of ClickFunnels, and they become funnel geniuses and such, and next thing you know, they're paying every single month, and every single month you're getting a commission. So that's the one way. And then you'll see that I'm sharing a lot of funnels lately online. So what I'll do, this is actually a covert kind of thing. So I can actually take this, save it, and I'm going to back out, and I'll show you how I can give this website away to anybody. And when they set up their account, I'm going to make 38 bucks a month. So let me show you here. Share funnel, grab this link right here, and whenever I give this link away, they're gonna get this funnel for free. They're gonna be able to enjoy this funnel for free, and they're gonna sign up their account. Some gym is gonna set this up, look like $1 million to their clients, be happy, maybe have it for 10 years, do changes to it whenever they want, super easy. When they find ClickFunnels, you introduce a business owner to ClickFunnels, and they can make their own changes to their website. Watch the way that they react. So you get the business set up, they spend 97 bucks a month to keep their website live, which is pretty reasonable to say the least, and you make a commission for helping them. So I don't know too many people that can do that.